Earning money without leaving the house is the way of the future. Inconceivable transformations have taken place in our world, but one thing hasn't changed: the need to make money without leaving home. Many individuals are on the lookout for simple ways to increase their financial stability. To one's relief, the internet offers a plethora of opportunities for generating revenue, whether one is looking to supplement a current income or launch a brand new job altogether. In this video, we will show you how you can turn your talents and passions into a lucrative income stream in the digital age. Whether you are looking to supplement your current income or start a full-fledged business, we'll guide you through the steps to success. So sit back, grab a notebook, and let's explore the many ways you can make money from home in 2023. Number 10. Become an influencer. Upgrading your social media accounts, such as on Instagram or TikTok, is a great option if you like sharing your work with others and using the platforms often. If you focus on a certain sector, like education or tourism, you can provide material that is better tailored to your audience and more likely to address their problems. As your audience increases, you'll be able to test out various forms of material to see what connects most with your audience, and sponsorship opportunities will begin to present themselves. Results will take time to develop, but this is one of the most original methods to generate money online and grow into a legitimate business. Not to mention, competition is fierce in certain sectors, so study the market thoroughly before jumping in. We have compiled a list of resources to aid you in producing top-notch content: Canva and Giphy for designs, Hootsuite and Google Analytics for analytics, Ripple and Filmora 9 for video editing. Your material has to be continuously updated once you have the right technologies in place to meet the needs of your subscribers. And if you want to foster a sense of community among your followers, you should respond to their comments and engage with them. Number 9. Become a writer. More and more businesses are on the lookout for talented writers to populate their websites with relevant and engaging material as interest in content marketing rises. Having a certain area of expertise is crucial to your success as a writer. Many authors make the mistake of trying to be all things to all readers by penning pieces in fields as broad as food and technology. However, if you want to stand out as a writer and get customers in your sector, you need to specialize. Having first-hand knowledge of a certain field allows you to write from a unique angle. This signifies that you are providing a unique perspective rather than just restating commonplace opinions. And that's exactly what companies are willing to pay for. Access your expertise, insights, and experiences in a certain field. If you're looking for a writing position, it's a good idea to include some examples in your application materials. An example of your marketing writing should be provided upon request. Avoid sending anything related to money or a health and fitness one. Hiring managers have a hard time gauging candidates' industry knowledge without seeing relevant work samples. Submit your resume to jobs that might benefit from your expertise. Number 8. Become an online tutor. Becoming an online instructor is a great way to earn money from home and work when it's convenient for you. As reported by Studenomics, one tutor earned $2,100 in a single semester. Interestingly, he grew his business thanks to positive word of mouth, publicity, and affordable group prices. A degree in education can improve your chances of finding work as a tutor. Such positions often need either formal language training or education. Speaking at a related conference or event might increase your chances of being hired as an online mentor, teacher, or tutor. It's common to discover a greater need for tutors in the STEM fields, although English is also widely spoken and respected across the world. You can find rapid financial success as an instructor if you are an expert in a specific field. Online teaching opportunities are promoted on sites like TutorMe, Check Tutors, Tutor.com, Yup, and Cambly. Number 7. Sell your designs online. The ability to create eye-catching graphics is a highly marketable talent. One option is to use a print-on-demand service to market and sell items with your designs. You might also use a crowdsourcing website such as 99 Designs to advertise your design ideas. You can also make your layouts and graphics to sell on websites like Envato and Creative Market. Or you can start your own freelance graphic design business. The average hourly wage for these positions is $29.9 as reported by PayScale. Number 6. Take up freelance work. One of the most common strategies to boost your income is to start working for yourself as a freelancer. This is especially helpful for experts in fields like web design, copywriting, graphics, and digital marketing. You might begin by joining professional social media networks like LinkedIn or Behance and developing an impressive portfolio. To locate more tailor-made projects, check out the following websites. As far as site design, online advertising, and social media go, Fiverr is where it's at. TopTool is the go-to company whether you need help with programming, accounting, or managing a project. Web design, branding, and coding are all best handled on Upwork. FlexJobs is best for transcribing, copywriting, and content marketing. The power of social proof can be used to simply asking satisfied customers to submit a positive review after you've gotten into the swing of things. If you're good enough, you can work as a freelancer full-time and earn more money over time. Another option is to simply wing it and try different things in your leisure time rather than committing to a set course of action. Number 5. Start a YouTube channel. Generating revenue on YouTube channels is becoming progressively common. It's the world's most popular video sharing service with over 2 billion monthly users. A YouTube channel may make money in many ways. To start generating money from YouTube videos, join the YouTube Partner Program. Advertising is the most typical way. Super Chat, Super Stickers, merch, sponsorships, YouTube Brand Connect, and channel subscriptions are more methods to generate money on the side. Game replies and daily vlogs are among YouTube's many video genres. Check out Hostinger Academy, our YouTube channel for website assistant. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, add new videos often. A good camera and editing software will boost views. YouTube SEO matters. Search engines may optimize titles and descriptions using keywords and tags. Launching a YouTube channel provides benefits beyond financial ones for companies. Leads and traffic may be generated through YouTube videos. Videos are successful advertising mediums because they offer a higher ROI than static photos. Number 4. Become a website developer. A website developer may expect to earn an annual income of roughly $82,000 while working alone. Moreover, the need for web developers and digital designers is anticipated to increase by 23% between 2021 and 2031. Therefore, it is an excellent moment to enter the field. Choosing a subfield within web development is the first step toward a career in the field. It will help you save time, money, and energy while also setting you apart from the competition. The next step after deciding on a career path is to become proficient in computer programming. There are several resources available to help you get started, such as websites and classes like BitDegree, Coursera, Code Academy, and Udemy. A coding bootcamp such as Alchemy Code Lab or Rhythm School may be a great stepping stone to a successful career in the web development industry. Number 3. Open a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is a business strategy in which a third-party provider processes and fulfills orders placed via a retailer's online site rather than the retailer. Since there is no need to handle stock and delivery, this method is far simpler than running a traditional online business, in the same way that you would when opening any other kind of online shop. You'll need to settle on a specific market niche and an appropriate e-commerce platform before you can launch your dropshipping business. It's important to note that dropshippers, like any other business, must locate a reliable source. The quality of the suppliers is crucial to the success of any company. Here are a few places online where you may find dependable vendors to work with to get things rolling, like Spocket, Modelists, and Sellho. Number 2. Create an online course. Selling classes online is a great method to generate money. Experts may make money by designing online courses. If you have an audience, you may sell your course on Udemy or your website. Some businesses make $5,000 a month with online courses. Use trendy courses in your field to design a profitable course. Review the feedback. How do people like and dislike things? How can you improve on what's already been done? Focus on solving the main issues while mimicking the best features. How well your course sells depend on the platform. Udemy sells courses without any promotion. It's nearly automatic. Promote it on social media and blogs. If your website hosts the course, you may wish to run advertising to promote it. You may advertise future courses without advertising by building an email list. Number 1. Publish an ebook. It's never been simple to publish an ebook with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Simply write the ebook, format it, design an ebook cover, publish it, and market it. In 2013, I published many ebooks on Amazon, and although they didn't make me wealthy, they did bring me some money. You have the options of hiring a writer for your ebook, a graphic designer for the cover, and a manuscript editor to remove problems from the text. When studying the issue, concentrate on keywords based on frequent Amazon searches. I often utilize the keyword tools, which enables you to identify the terms people use while searching and tailor your title to suit. Focus on marketing methods that have been shown to attract consumers to produce sales for your ebook. You may, for example, give away the first few copies of your book for free. This helps you generate social media buzz and earn some evaluations, which helps you get clients via social proof. Influencer marketing and video campaigns are two more great ways to promote your ebook. So, there you have it, folks. With the right tools, resources, and mindset, making money from home in 2023 can be a reality for anyone. Whether it's through freelance work, starting a business, or investing in stocks, there are countless opportunities available for you. Just remember to stay focused, work hard, and never give up on your goals. And of course, always do your research and seek professional advice before making any financial decisions. Thanks for watching.